Hey you guys, welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Catalina and today I'm going to show you how I get my hair looking like this, so stay tuned. Alright, I'm looking really good right now, sis. Okay, so we are here. And this is what my hair looks like when it's blow dried, sis. I don't know if you can remember the last time I did my hair tutorial on how I straighten iron my hair, but I think it grew a bit, sis. What you think? I'm going to start straightening my hair. Wow. Okay. I'm kind of in a rush because I have somewhere to be later. Alright, so basically the things that you need, obviously the flat iron. I have the Remington flat iron. I've had this for years. I bought this when I was working at Walgreens. Shout out to Walgreens. So I decided to go to the beauty supply store and I was like, I think I need a pressing oil. So I decided to go old school with it. I don't know if y'all can see because the lighting is pretty off. So this is what I'm going to be using. This is the coconut oil and castor oil premium styling / hot comb pressing oil by DAX. Period. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. You will need a sis, what is this? Okay, so what you're also going to need is like a heat protectant. This is a polishing serum from Giovanni. Frizz be gone anti-frizz polishing serum, period. Y'all, I don't think y'all be able to see this. This is like, yeah. For my edges, I think I'm gonna use this Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. So this is what I'm going to use. You're also going to need a comb, sis, and some clips, all right? I don't think I'm missing anything else. I used to use a hot comb. I just don't know where it is, but I would have a hot comb as well because I like to make sure that my roots is flat, okay? So first things first, I'm going to use the anti-frizz serum, which is also the heat protectant. And I think 1.5 pumps is good. Second step, I am going to use this pressing oil and putting a generous amount. I don't think I need that much, honestly. I don't know. Okay. I took a little bit, let's just say that. I'm going to split my hair into 2 sections. And then I'm going to take a small piece from the back. So I'd say about this much. And then put the rest away. So this was already on. I have it at 390 degrees. So usually I take my comb. This is kind of difficult for me because of my arm, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna comb through this. And start to straighten it. And then I take my comb and I go along with it. Okay? So that's basically that part. Okay? Now I'm gonna go to the next part. So again, I'm just combing this out, taking the flat iron, going down with the iron, taking my comb and following it. That's basically all that I do. Okay? So that is it for the remainder of this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Y'all can see I'm feeling myself. I know. Let me be great, sis. Alright? But if you like, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell so you can get notified on when I upload videos. And if you like, also you can comment. You can leave a little comment down there. But if God willing, I will see you in the next video. And make sure you love others because God loved you first. Bye.